Have you ever heard of black holes? You might well have done. We're not talking about a hole in the ground. We're talking about the ones that astronomers believe that exist in our gigantic universe. Despite their name, scientists believe that there is something more about this object. So, where exactly is a black hole? Have you ever had to vacuum your bedroom? When you do, watch closely because we'll see the dirt and the crumbs start moving toward the vacuum cleaner. A black hole is similar to a vacuum cleaner, cleaning up debris left behind in outer space. However, it is not suction power that makes things fall into a black hole. Suction would not be strong enough. Instead, a black hole uses the power of gravity to pull things toward it. One star's end is a black hole beginning. Most black holes form from the remnant of a large star that died in a supernova explosion. Smaller stars became dense neutron stars which are not massive enough to trap life. When a large star runs off its fuel, it can no longer support its heavy weight. The pressure from the star's massive layers of hydrogen presses down, forcing the star to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Eventually, the star will get even smaller than an atom. Imagine that for a moment an entire star squished up into a less space than a tiny atom. How can something get smaller but retain the same amount of mass? It is really quite simple. If you take a sponge the size of a soda can, you can easily squish it into your hand until it's completely covered. But here is the interesting part. If you make something smaller by squishing it, its gravity became much stronger. Imagine that. If you squish a star into the size of an atom, how powerful its gravity would become. A black hole's gravity becomes so powerful that anything, including light, can get too close, gets pulled in. That's right, not even light can escape the grasp of black holes. Whatever happened to black holes, stay in a black hole. If black holes are black, so how do scientists know they are? Like monsters hiding under your bed, monster black holes sometimes lurk behind gas and dust hiding from the gaze of the MOSS telescope. A black hole cannot be seen because the strong gravity pulls up all the light into the middle of the black hole. But scientists can see how the strong gravity affects the star and the gas around the black hole. Scientists can study stars to find out if they are flying around or orbiting a black hole. When a black hole and the star are close together, high energy light is made. This kind of light cannot be seen with the human eye. Scientists use satellites, telescope, space to see the high energy light. Could the black hole destroy Earth? Black holes do not go around in space, eating stars, moon, and planets. Earth will not fall into a black hole because no black hole is close enough to the solar system for Earth to do that. Even if a black hole takes the place of the Sun, Earth and other planets would orbit the black hole as they orbit the Sun now. The Sun will never turn into a black hole because the Sun is not a big enough star to make a black hole. The original star must have something like 20 times the Sun mass or more, so I think we're safe.